sorry. Just bounce.
We will bounce if there's a gift. If there's no need to bounce. How are you? I am not good
Why?
because you're not gifting me. You're only staying at home enough to do makeups.
No, I have to. May darating, be. Simple lang. Pero mamaya pa naman. Pag wala ng tao. Pagbigyan ng isang beses. Joke lang.
Ibaunan. Baunan.
Baunan. No. Hindi ko alam kung darating pa yun kasi galing na yun dito. Kaso ang tagal pa sa CR daw. Galit na lang daw siya. Sabi ko, lumayas ka.
Correct. Parang didilaan niya pati baba.
Lahat.
Oh my God!
Pati puwet, be.
Sarap yarn.
Yung kahit huwag mo nang baktan, kumain ka lang ng kumain.
I'm wearing the sexy, guys. Yung bra mo lumalabas na.
Wala malabas na siya. Okay lang.
I-up mo siya. Ganyan.
Hindi, gusto ko siya ng ganyan. Kasi meron ditong isa, nanonood, makon tayo. Hindi tayo mabigyan ng,
Hadiah.
yeah.
Huwag ka mabigyan ng hindi,
Yeah, may hadiah.
Guys, I have strawberry here.
Wow, that's nice.
And I test them. Correct first your grammar. Putang ina mo, magkikakain ka na nga lang, taste. Girl, it's your test is your exam, not the taste. Diyos ko, Marimar.
Hi, Qatar MBM. Nagugutom na.
Ano pa? You're my angel. Yan. If I'm bongga na perfect mo yung grammar.
Baliw ka talaga.
I wanna make you heartbeat like roller coaster. I wanna be a good boy, I wanna be a gangster. Cause you could be the beauty and I could be the monster. I love you since this morning, no, just for a static. I wanna touch your body so fucking